Perplexity AI versus Claude AI. Which one is actually better for generating text or code? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare Perplexity AI and Claude AI, two of the most popular large language models out there, so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Let's start with Perplexity AI. Perplexity is known for being super fast at giving up-to-date answers. It pulls info from the web in real time, kind of like a search engine mixed with an AI assistant. Great if you're doing research or want fresh, accurate data without digging through Google results. Now let's talk about Claude AI, made by Anthropic. Claude is built for deep thinking, logic, and handling longer prompts. It's great for writing, coding, and even analyzing complex documents. If you need something that really gets context and follows long conversations, Claude might feel more natural. So which one is better? If you're doing research, asking current questions, or want real-time facts, go with Perplexity. If you're writing, coding, or working on deeper reasoning tasks, Claude might give you smarter, cleaner output. Both are awesome tools, just built for slightly different use cases. Let me know in the comments which one you use more. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.